Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make these squares. I will make a cardigan with the squares. So I want to show you how to make this one first. For this I use this yarn Kartopu Lake. It's 4-play yarn, thicker 4-play yarn actually, and it recommends 5mm crochet hook. I will use 6mm, and you can use any kind of yarn, 4-play yarn you choose, and you can use different colors of yarn. You can choose your own color combination. For these motifs I use 6 different colors. And if you have any question about it, please leave comments. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with the magic ring, but if you are a new beginner, you can start like that. Just make your slip knot. Chain 4. Insert your hook into that first stitch. Grab the yarn. Pull it. You have a little opening here. Chain 3 and make your double crochet into that space. You can start like that. And if you know a little about crocheting, you can start with magic ring. It's not too hard. I'll show you one more time. Just hold this yarn, wrap it, and one more time make a cross. Insert your hook from here, take this yarn and twist it one time. Take the same yarn, pull it. That's the magic ring. I will make 3 chains. That's my first double crochet. I will make 11 more. How to make a double crochet? Yarn over, insert your hook here, grab the yarn, pull it. Yarn over, pull through from 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through from second 2 loops. I have 3 double crochet. Now I will totally make 12 double crochets. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Close this ring as you can. Now we will cut this yarn and change the color. I will grab the other color. Insert from this 3rd chain here. Take this yarn and complete this last stitch with the new color. Hold these 2 yarn. I like to hide these yarns while I make the other row. I will insert into that first space here. Make a slip stitch. Chain 2. We will make 2 double crochet together here. That's the first half. And now I will make the other one. Yarn over, insert into same place. Grab the yarn. Yarn over, pull through from 2. That's 2 double crochets half. Now I will complete them together. Yarn over, pull through. Chain 2. Insert into that next stitch and hide this yarn too. Insert here. Make half of a double crochet. Yarn over and make it one more time. Complete together. Chain 2 into the next stitch. Make a half. One more. Complete together. Chain 2 into the next one. Make a half. One more. Complete. I will make totally 12 of these clusters. I will complete them and see you. I made the last one here. Always count them, okay? You can miss here. Actually, I made this mistake and I made 11 clusters. Then you must rip it out and start again. It's so heartbreaking, I think. So always count them. I'll cut this yarn. I will change the color. Look, I will insert into here, into the top of this cluster. And insert into that space with a slip stitch. Okay. Chain 2. Now we will make 3 double crochet together. Yarn over, insert here, grab the yarn, pull through from 2 loops. Yarn over, insert into same place and make it one more time. I have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from all of them. Chain 3 into the next space. Make it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Close together. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. Just keep going like that and make it 12 times again. I complete the last row and chain 3. Cut this yarn. Take the other yarn. Join from here. Grab the yarn and pull it. Insert into the space again with a slip stitch, chain 3. That's my first double crochet. I will make 3 more double crochet here. Sorry, 2 more. 1, 2. Don't make a chain. Directly skip into that next space. 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Actually, that will be our first corner. We made the half of it. When we complete the row, we will make the second half. So don't count this one. Make 2 sets of 3 double crochet. That's the first. 1, 2, 3. That's the second. Now we will make the corner again. Insert here. Make 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2 into the same space. Make 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Don't make any chain. Into the next space. Make 1, 2, 3. Into the next space, make 1, 2, 3. I made 2 sets again. Now I will make the corner. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. 1, 2, 3. Just put 2 sets and make the corner complete here too. I'll see you there. I'm at the end. Now I will complete my last corner. I will make 3 double crochet here, chain 2, join from this third chain with a slip stitch, and then I will cut the yarn. When we join all the squares, we will make one more row like that, but just now that will be enough. That's our square. We can use it for bags or blouses or blankets, anywhere you want. That's it for today. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button. You can reach me on my Instagram or Pinterest address. It's all Celine Crochet, and you can reach me on my website celincecrochet.com. Thanks for watching me. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.